Lou, what is your take on the music industry? Whoa, did you line those up?
No.
What is your take on the music
I had
industry?
another story, but it was like a really quick one if you want to cover it.
What is music related? So,
No, it's not.
oh, you got
But,
you got a story you really want to get in. You put the guy's question up, you got rid of it. What the?
So Xbox body wash,
Is this real though?
it's hitting Australia.
Wait, but is it real though? Will, are you sure this is real and not a joke?
It was trending on Twitter.
Xbox inspired fragrance range is hitting Australia grocery stores and pharmacies in July. You can pick up deodorant, body spray, and shower gel. Link's Xbox is described as a fresh scent. What? Why? What is the need here? What's going on?
Because if you're a gamer, you sweat and you have Xbox
Oh,
body
thanks,
wash.
Will. Yeah, nice
Just
try.
to
I see what you're doing here,
tie
Will.
it all
You're
in.
trying to get me fired up, aren't you? That's what you're trying to do. This is one of those like weird licensing deals where like somebody has a golf game, you know? Some Microsoft executive he wants to schedule a golf game. He's like, who's in my Rolodex here? Oh yeah, the guy from the body spray. We had to justify golfing 14 times between now and the end of the year. Xbox body spray. You see what I'm
Yeah, why
doing? You see what I'm
not?
saying there? That's how
Have
these
it a
things come
go.
together. That's wild. I don't know. I never thought I'd see the day. Well, you're bringing the heat though. That is a absolutely
crazy.
flaming news story, is how I would describe it.
Anyways,
It's on fire. Okay, cool. Very, very well. Oh, you picked the subject line. I love Willie Do and the heart
That's right.
emoji. Oh
That's right.
man, you love that too much. You're a sick man, Will. No, you know what? I love it too because I also love Willie Do.